one of the things that you've said privately, as well as Director Zeringer, is that we've got to keep the perspective of the short-term horizon here, as well as the longer term. And the longer term is the great opportunities. We've discussed that this morning at length, and you've spoken to this, as well as Director Zeringer and others, of a dredged lake, of better channels, of a more navigable lake. It's going to be easier to get to and from those businesses. And so we've taken, a very bad situation, and so at the end of the day, we're not only going to have a safer lake, but we're going to have a much better asset and lake experience 4 or 5 years from now than what we have today.
Yeah, I mean, and the thing is that the possibility of dredging means you have really a more viable lake, and we're going to be looking at all the opportunities that could be there in terms of improving this lake as we are in the process of saving the lake. So we want to have open discussions. The other thing that I've said is that our engineers should be available for the civic associations, the people who have great interest in this. They want to come and learn what the situation is. Look, there's nobody operating this right now, but when you go to Buckeye Lake, the dam is not the spillway. A lot of you have gone out there and you put a camera on the spillway, go, oh, it looks pretty good to me. That's not what a dam is. The dam is earthen. You don't understand that? And you can find places out there, and we will take you there, where you can actually see the walls that are being built right into the dam structure. And, honestly, I could just imagine how somebody would feel who spent, a lot of their money to build a beautiful home and put their dock out. They've got their boat, and they're so excited about the season. And then all of a sudden the government shows up and says, sorry, game over. I get that, totally get that. But if we were to continue, I think we've dodged a bullet these many years. I mean, this is not some hypothetical guesswork here. This is a real structural issue with the possibility of a breach in a dam that could send an 8 to 10 foot wall of water and mud streaming down the community and killing people. We can't tolerate that. We can't look the other way. We can't play politics. That's why we can't debate the level of the water. It's why we can't have it, it's done. It's decided. We're moving forward. And I would hope that people would understand that once it's done, it's not a lifetime. For some it might be, but when it's done, it's going to be terrific. At least that's the way I see it.